When you are looking for pictures to use for projects, whether it's for your passion project or in science class, humanities, and so forth, Brittanica Image Quest is a great resource to use. To access Brittanica Image Quest, you must first start at the Media Center webpage. Once you are here, you will then go down and select Brittanica Image Quest. And then this allows you to search for lots of rights cleared images that you are free to use and that are legal for you to use. And they also provide the citation for you, so it makes your life a lot easier. So let's say that I'm researching manatees. Once I type in my search term, then I can go and look at the images to see which one works best for my project. Once I've found one that I like, I can click on it and get additional information and find out where the picture is from. I can also do a few different things. I can add it to my images. I can download it and then use it to copy and paste into a project. I can also print it. I can email it to myself. Probably most likely to use download or print or just to go directly and copy the image. Adding to my images is a cool thing if you are unsure about which one you want to use. You can click add to my images and actually create an account. And for your account, I just made mine K Buckley, and then my username, the same that I use to log on to my computer. My password, the same I use to log on to my computer. I would do the same thing with yours. Make it, first dash last name, your lunch code, so it makes it easy in the future. And then add to an existing album. I can go ahead and create an album. I'm going to entitle this Manatees. Then I can add this image to that album. And then later on, I can actually go to my name up here, my images, and then I can find all of the images that I've saved. This would be a great way to start when you're gathering pictures, especially if you need several about your topic, because then you could have multiple pictures in here and then choose from those pictures. The other cool thing about it is that it allows you to have the citation already done for you. If you look, there's a box that says Cite. So I'm going to go ahead and select this box, and it provides the MLA citation for us. And to access this, what I would do is go ahead and highlight it, copy, and then this is when I would go into Noodle Tools. So I'm going to go back to the Media Center page, click on Noodle Tools, and sometimes when you do this, I've found on certain computers, it works better to do Open Link in New Tab, right click and do Open Link in New Tab so it doesn't take away what you're already using. So I'm going to do that. Go up here, log into Noodle Tools using my first dash last name, password's my lunch code, unless I have a 1-digit lunch code or a 3-digit lunch code and I put a 0 in front. Once I'm logged in, hopefully I already have a project started for what I'm working on. So let's say that I do not, and I'm just starting this project. I can make a new one and title it Manatees, use MLA citation. For a 5th or 6th grader, I'm probably going to use Starter. If I'm a 7th or 8th grader, I have a lot of experience using Noodle Tools, I'd probably select Junior. So I'm going to go ahead and select Starter. And then I'll go up here and select Sources, create new citation, because I want to cite where I got this picture from. Make sure that I'm giving credit since I was not the one who took the picture. And then I look at my options here, and I think it might work with website. So I found this, actually we found it on a database. And it is a photo. And database means we subscribe to it and you're able to access it through the database Image Quest. And then I don't have to actually go through and fill all of this out. Since they provide the citation for me, I can select copy and paste a citation. And then I can actually paste my citation right here. I'm going to double check it, and then I'm going to scroll on down and click Save. And here I have my citation already done for me. So it tells me the title of the picture is Florida Manatee. It's a photograph. It was found on Brittanica Image Quest through Encyclopedia Britannica as the publisher. And the date that it was taken was on May 25th, 2016. Here's the URL where I can find this picture. And I looked at this picture on January 10th, 2018. The other thing that I can do is I can actually go click View Live Web Page. it'll take me directly to that web page as well, which works really great when you are working with websites in particular. And then I could continue because chances are I probably used more than one picture. So then I could go through the same process, create new citation, website. It's an image, or actually it was a database because we got it from our Brittanica Image Quest. It's a photograph. And then I would do copy and paste a citation. And same thing, I would go back. I would find my next picture that I want to use. Maybe I like one of these down here. I could click Cite again, and I could copy and paste this directly into Noodle Tools and have my second citation already done. Save. And then I can tell here are my 2 citations, and I would keep doing this with all my pictures. And the best thing about this is you're using pictures that you're legally able to use that aren't copyright protected, and you're also giving credit to the person who took the picture since that property belongs to them. And that's how you use Brittanica Image Quest and cite pictures using Noodle Tools.